What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 28 and today's topic will be on span, like how you can create a span within your REPORTLAB table. And when we're talking about span, definitely it will be within your column or row space or whatever. Like suppose you have created one table, you have multiple rows and you want to merge like two rows together or one rows together, kind of a span, whatever we know as per our Excel or other stuff. It is going to be the same, but in REPORTLAB we can do it using Python code, or we can do it using some sort of program, or programmatically we can create some sort of span for our REPORTLAB table or PDF table. Okay, so let me open this thing now. Okay, so this is, I have already written this thing. Let me just change this thing 28 and let me just change create table with span. Okay, so from REPORTLAB Platypus import paragraph, simple doc template, table and table style and image. We already did this thing, but for today's topic I think we don't need this image thing. Next thing, from REPORTLAB.lib import colors, and I think this is fine. So now we'll create the PDF object. Okay, so this is going to be simple doc template and we'll name it as tutorial 28.pdf. We'll create one flow object. Okay, so now we'll define our table. So for that, let's say we'll create the data first. So data will be this, and let's say 1 2 3, like 3 4 and 5, and next data will be 1 2 3 4 and 5 again. So this is very simple data. We're not going to do something with fancy data. So table is going to be table data. Now we'll define t style equals to table style, and there actually will define our style. So as I told you, we'll create some sort of box first. So box, and this is going to start from 0 0 and we'll give it to until the end. So -1 -1 will give a line width for 1, and the colors will be, let's say, red, colors dot red. Okay, okay, now table dot state style, it will be going to be t style, and we'll now append flow object dot append is going to be our table, and we'll create the document now by calling the build method, build, and here it will be flow object. So now it will be it is completed now. Yes, so what will happen, so there will be one table with 2 row and 5 column, and each column will be having this sort of data, like each row will having this data, and there will be one box with the color with red. Okay, so let's run this thing. It's completed, so let me just refresh this thing. Okay, so it's created. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. By why this is not coming? Okay, so it should be capital B, that is the main reason. Okay, so what I'll do, I will now create some sort of grid now. Okay, well, so let's name it as grid. Same thing, let's give it color black. Okay, let's run this thing now. Hopefully See, so the grid got completed. Okay, so this thing is not required anymore. So what I'll do, I'll just give a background, okay, of red. Okay, okay, sorry, so for background we don't need size, so done. Fine. So now we got one very nice looking table, million dollar table now. So what I'll do now, we'll span these two things together. Like this is actually column 0 row 1, this two element, and this is actually column 1 row 1. Okay, so these two things will be spanned. So how to do that? Let's do it. So it will be like, actually here. Okay, so span. So this two means this is going to be column 0 row 1, column 0 row 1, and this is going to be minus, means -1, -2, -3, -4, -4 and -1, I believe. And we don't need this thing, just okay. Sorry guys, so let's run this thing. Okay, what happened here? Sorry. Well, not sure what is the problem here. Actually span is 0, this. Okay, I got it. So there will be one extra this thing. Well, I just, okay, it's fine now. So I actually forgot to put the closing bracket, so that's why the error. Now it is completed. So see, this part is actually spanned. There was a 2 which is actually removed, or sorry, kind of not removed, you cannot say removed, it is actually spanned together with this thing. Okay, so this is how we can create your span. So if you want something else, we can easily do it. Let's do it again. So what I'll do, we'll create another span for this two. So this is going to be together. Okay, so this is going to be 0 0, and this is going to be minus 1, -2, -3, -4, and from the row side this is -1, this is -2. Well, so let's run this thing. Okay, so this is completed. So well, I am not sure what is happened over here actually. So let me just plug in my charger, give me some time. Okay, so 0 0, okay, just remove this part now for the time being. Okay, let's try this thing first. So this is 0 0, right, and this is -1, -2, -3, -4, this thing over here, -4, -2. Okay, it's done. Now if I am trying to do it with another span, let me check whether this is actually happening or not. I'm not sure why this is not happening. -4 -4 probably should be -4 -1 0 0. This is 0 1. Actually I did a mistake, actually that's why this was not happening. So why this is not coming? Starts with 0 1. This is 0th column, but first -1 -2 minus. Okay, I understood. Okay guys, actually this is a very new thing for me. I thought, okay, let me explain you one thing. So when we applied this thing, just forget about this thing now. It is very interesting actually. Okay, so this is now become 0 only. Okay, there is no first thing. So when you make this two things together, actually this is not able to find this thing 0 0 thing. So -1 -2 -3 -4 -5, but from this side actually this becomes 0 0 again. So if you merge this thing together again, it will become like this. So that is why it is not happening. So we can do something else, but not here actually. What is happening? We can do something else. What I'll do, let's try something here actually, this two thing. Okay, so this is here means actually 1 0 1 2 3, or probably this two thing together. So this is going to be 0 1 2 3 0 and 3. This is going to be 0 1 2 3. So let's try, this is 3 0 and -1 and -2. This is -1 actually, and this is -1 -2. Let's run this thing now. See, this is working fine. So you understood, you have to calculate correctly, then only it will going to give you the proper result. Because when we do the span, that time actually this 0 1 2 numberings are going to be changed as well. So that is why that part here it was not working, but here it is working. Okay, so it's very important whenever you are having some sort of formatting or alignment or kind of spanning. Like let's say you are having 3 columns together or 2 rows together, and you need to like merge those 2 rows and put it in the like single row and want to represent something. So in that case these things are going to be very important. If you don't know how to span or merge your 2 rows or columns together, then it will be difficult. And as I told you, REPORTLAB provides all things out of the box, so it will be easier for you. If you know programming, if you know Python, it will be easier for you to do everything programmatically. So that's all for today. So what I'll do, I'll just take a copy paste of this thing and I'll put it here actually, and I will make it let's go here and change it to no color. Fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and probably we'll upload one more tutorial today. I'm not sure whether I will get the time or not, but as per like my time or other things are concerned, I'm quite free today, so I can upload one more video today. So hopefully see you in few hours. I'm not sure when, but definitely I'll do it before before night. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and please do some practice. Until and unless you are not doing any practice, you are not actually learning anything. So do some some practice, come up with nice idea. If you have some use case, send me an email. I will try to incorporate all those things in the future video. And those are watching our channel for the first time or this tutorial for the first time, guys, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button so that you should not miss any notification or any like timely update for our video uploading things and all. And if you have any suggestion, complaint, demand, feedback, whatever, you can write me. I will try to improve our quality definitely. And feel free to share our videos with family, friends, or those are actually interested to learn new things using Python. And for all the Udemy students, happy new year, guys. Thanks for everything. Because of you only I'm actually getting the confidence or encouragement to create lots and lots of new tutorial, and I hope you guys will definitely support me in this 2020 again. So I will try to upload more contents, more new tutorial for Udemy as well. And if you have any suggestion, doubt, question, clarification, you can feel free. You can feel free to write me actually via Udemy platform, or you can have me my direct email address. You can send me email. I'll try to answer all your queries. So that's all, guys. That's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye and have a nice day.